Dear children, good morning. Today we shall see the lesson Princess September. There lived a king and his wife. They had many daughters. They lived in Siam. They had many daughters. So they named the name of their daughter and the name of the month, so that they may not confuse. The name of the last girl was September. In their kingdom it was strange that king, at the time on the occasion of his birthday, he used to give the gift. He did not take the gift, but he used to give it to others. On this occasion, he gave a green parrot in golden cage to his each daughter. After some time, one of the parrot died. That was kept by the princess. All the parrots used to tell, the God may save the king. The God may save the king. When the parrot died, the princess became very sad. She wept. She wept in flood tears. Other sisters were not happy. So they had to go to the party. That's why they sent the princess to the bed without supper. After some time, there came a singing bird. It was very good bird. The birds used to sing melodious song. The princess became very happy. She forgot that she had not taken food. Thus, the princess became very happy. The bird used to tell good morning to the princess. So dear children, these are some points about the lesson. Once there lived a king and a queen. They had many daughters. They kept their names on the name of month. It was a strange manner that instead of giving gift on the birthday, the king used to give the gift. He gave to his each daughter a green parrot kept in the golden cage. So, dear children, this is the first part of the lesson. Next day, we shall start the second part of this lesson. So, within time, dear children, go through the lesson, read the lesson loudly. Don't read the lesson slowly. And if there is any problem, you are welcome. There are some questions in the first part, comprehensive questions. You will do the answer of these questions in your notebook. Read the first part 2-3 times and try to find out the answer. In class homework copy, you will do it as homework in your homework copy.